everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today, it's actually a very good day. It's 6 degrees centigrade outside, and today we're gonna do some work on the Z. Amin's here, he's helping me out because I don't want to do it. I really don't want to do that job myself, and Amin has done it a million times, so it will be easy for him in and out. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got 4 300ZS twin turbos, R2 Skyline, a hard body. I'm actually daily driving the hard body in wintertime when there's no snow on the ground, and I also have an S15, and somebody buy that god-awful MR2 from me. Alright, so if you're 21 and younger, stop, watch a cat video, watch something. Don't be a car enthusiast because it is absolutely detrimental to your financial health. Having said that, warning is out of the way. Let me show you what we're doing. That, if it makes any sense. Well, this is a standard plenum of the 300ZX. What we're gonna do is we're gonna swap out these throttle bodies to the stock throttle bodies. Funny thing is, they look absolutely stock from a distance, but they're nothing but stock. The stock throttle bodies are about 48 millimeter or something like that, where these are 58 millimeter ID, 60 millimeter OD. ID, that's what it matters. And if you also see, the water coolant line is blocked off. Everybody deletes them anyway, so that's why they're blocked off. Yeah, these are Z1 60 millimeter throttle bodies. That's what we're gonna do. Now, to do the job, what you have to do is pull the stock plenum. Because these are bigger, you're gonna have to machine, or at least you're gonna have to grind and polish the inners to match the new diameter, and then you're off you go. Unfortunately, there are a couple of things we're missing today, and one of the major things we found out is the intake pipe that I have. It's not gonna fit on those 58 millimeters, so I'm gonna have to get a different intake setup. Yeah, that. Another thing is, since the plenum will be off, I really want to change the knock sensor with the brand new one. And also there's a hose under the plenum, a PCB hose under the plenum that's been leaking, which is causing me certain issues at warm idle. But when that drivability doesn't bother me at all, so I was dragging my feet on it. Since the plenum will be off, we will address all of that. Problem is, I don't have a PCB hose, so yeah. So it's probably going to be a 2-part video, and they're probably going to be about 2 to 3 weeks different, maybe a month different between the 2-part video. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so pulled that plenum at a record time. It took like 30 minutes to pull that plenum, but about 15 minutes of that he was going through his box to get an 8 mil socket. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that it is quite a bit of significant difference.
Quite a bit of significant.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of significant difference. So hopefully the pain and suffering and all of that is worth it. Amin thinks it is. Hopefully I don't have to tune it again. I should tune it, because then I will have the full benefit of the product, but I'm cheap, broke. I want to drag my feet on stuff. That's what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm excited, but we have some issues. The major reason I had to pull the plenum and have been waiting to pull the plenum is because of this PCB hose. It's leaking and it's not really doing its job. What that does, and that was causing me the idling issue when it was hot, and that may even sometimes, depending on situation or whatnot, may reduce the octane number and gasoline. But so since we're doing that, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna change all 4 of them. They are hard, and yeah, we should have a better drivability. We should have a better throttle response and everything with the whole thing. Not necessarily we'll see much power, maybe torque and throttle response. That's the major benefit of this will be. Missing the gasket set, of course. I forgot at home. This is not my home, as you can see. This is somewhere else in Scarborough. That's where the Z stays in wintertime. We're gonna be back in not at least 2 weeks, if not 3, but hopefully within 2 weeks we're gonna put that back on. Hopefully it will be a little bit warmer. We're gonna actually start the car today. Even though it's 6 degrees, I prefer not to start it. I also have to get hard pipes because the factory pipes won't fit, the intake pipes, because we're going to a significant bigger difference. So that gives me 2 weeks to get all the parts and supply done, and I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks time. All right, so Amin and me, we're back. It's been over a month now. Yeah, so we're gonna start from scratch. I forgot to bring my more powerful light. Have to be the light man today. And the things we have to do today is replace a couple of fuel lines and replace the PCV here, here, and that fuel line pretty much. Other than that, it's good to go. He's using a wire cutter to cut a fuel line. That will work.
Yeah.
There's a lot of oil coming out of that one. What may cause that?
Your rings are bad.
So when you say rings are bad, like one side or?
Yeah, because if you have too much blow by, then it's gonna pass oil up to your PCBs. So if you have worn out rings, do you do compression on this motor?
No.
Then you don't know.
So when you're adjusting it, what voltage are you looking for?
0.44. This morning I literally did this exact same thing
Yeah.
in my car, and then I came and I went to Georgetown. Becoming too repetitive now for me.
Why? People are changing plenums or what?
No, just tune-ups basically, because the guy's telling me he was having throttle issues and he can't, like, the car doesn't feel like it's revving or idling properly. And I don't know what's up with these, but sometimes these will they'll just go out of sync, right? So I went there, I checked his TPS and it was off. So we fixed it, went for a drive, everything seemed good. It actually ran a lot better.
So he basically put a clip. He basically put a clip in the middle wire. That is, what is this one? The white wire. And I think he's gonna get the black and ground it, but let's see. It's alive, I can hear the ring.
Just make sure fuel.
Oh yeah, he's checking for fuel leaks because we changed the fuel lines. I am getting excited. So basically, the white wire and grounding somewhere in the car. He's looking for 0.4, right?
4.4, yeah.
4.4. Okay.
Can't get it to
Okay. 644 50.
Yeah, it's so touchy. This thing's not properly.
Alright, we're done. I had to go with different piping because of the 60mm throttle bodies. Last steps, just a general checkup. Battery's dead, I have to boost it. It's normal. Ready?
Yeah.
Lifter take. Color of the exhaust changing to white, which is was always a little over 1,000. Is it sticking? Always on 1,000. Man, that tick is loud. Now I hear it coming from the back. Huh?
First thing you do is change your oil, right?
I will do it.
You can put 540 in it or 530. Drive it easy the entire time, and that's gonna help clear up the
Folks, that's the end of it. I'm gonna make another video of a drive around about it because this will drive different, and there are a couple of things that will be different because you can't just go from a regular 48mm to a 60mm throttle body and be perfect about it. So hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Summer is here, and there's a lot more shenanigans.